For Glendale homeowners, investing in the right home upgrades isn't just about immediate appearance. It's about long-term comfort, protection, and value. One of the most impactful yet often underestimated upgrades is replacing exterior doors. While budget options may seem appealing at first, quality replacement doors deliver lasting benefits that far outweigh their initial cost. From energy efficiency and durability to security and curb appeal, high-quality doors are a smart, future-focused investment for Glendale homes. Here's why choosing quality replacement doors pays off year after year. Better protection against Glendale's climate. Glendale's hot summers, intense sun exposure, and occasional monsoon storms place constant stress on exterior doors. Lower quality doors can warp, fade, or lose their seal over time, leading to discomfort and maintenance issues. Quality replacement doors are designed to resist heat-related expansion and warping, maintain tight seals despite temperature changes, withstand sun exposure without fading or cracking. This durability helps doors perform reliably through every season. Long-term energy savings add up. Energy efficiency is one of the most valuable benefits of investing in quality doors. Poorly insulated or aging doors allow cooled air to escape during summer, forcing air conditioning systems to work harder. High-quality replacement doors feature insulated cores that reduce heat transfer, precision-fit frames that eliminate air gaps, advanced weather stripping for tight sealing. Over time, these features help lower monthly energy bills and reduce wear on HVAC systems, creating ongoing savings. Increased comfort throughout the home. Drafty or poorly fitted doors often create hot spots near entryways, making certain rooms uncomfortable. Quality doors help regulate indoor temperatures more evenly. Homeowners notice fewer temperature fluctuations, improved comfort near doors and hallways, more usable living space year-round. This improved comfort enhances everyday living, especially during Glendale's hottest months. Stronger security and peace of mind. A door's quality directly affects home security. Lower-end doors may lack proper reinforcement, making them more vulnerable to forced entry. Quality replacement doors offer reinforced frames and cores, secure lock and hinge systems, better alignment for full lock engagement. When paired with professional installation, these features provide Glendale homeowners with greater peace of mind. Reduced maintenance and repair costs. Cheaper doors often require frequent repainting, adjustments, or repairs due to warping and hardware wear. Quality doors are built with materials that minimize upkeep. Low maintenance benefits include durable finishes that resist fading and peeling, materials designed to handle heat and moisture, long-lasting hardware and components. This reduces ongoing maintenance costs and saves time over the life of the door. Enhanced curb appeal that lasts. The front door is a focal point of any home's exterior. A high-quality replacement door maintains its appearance longer, preserving curb appeal year after year. Benefits include clean lines and consistent alignment, stylish designs that complement Glendale architecture, finishes that hold up under sun exposure. Strong curb appeal not only enhances pride of ownership but also supports long-term property value. Increased home value and buyer appeal. Buyers notice quality upgrades, and doors are one of the first features they see. A well-chosen, professionally installed door signals that a home has been thoughtfully maintained. Quality replacement doors improve first impressions, increase resale potential, appeal to buyers looking for energy efficiency and security. This makes them a smart investment even if selling isn't immediate. Longer lifespan means better return on investment. Quality replacement doors are designed to last significantly longer than lower-cost alternatives. Their extended lifespan spreads the initial investment over many years of reliable performance. This means fewer replacements over time, lower lifetime cost, greater overall value. Professional installation maximizes long-term benefits. To fully realize the value of a quality door, professional installation is essential. Expert installation ensures proper alignment, sealing, and secure anchoring, protecting the door's performance and warranty. A smart investment for Glendale homes. Investing in quality replacement doors is a decision that continues to pay off for Glendale homeowners. With improved energy efficiency, comfort, security, durability, and curb appeal, these doors deliver lasting value far beyond their initial cost. For homeowners looking to make a meaningful upgrade that supports both daily living and long-term home value, choosing high-quality replacement doors is a smart, confident investment in the future of their home.